Hello and welcome back to Creative Cat. This is my quick last minute project, simple but still elegant. The color can be customized as per your decor theme. Show your love by smashing like button, and if you're not getting notification of my new videos, then click on bell icon which is near the subscribe button so that you will get notified about my new videos as soon as I upload them. Visit my blog www.creativecatcraft.com for tutorials in other languages, and you will find list and links of all materials I use in description box below. So keep creating and happy crafting. Take any thick paper and roll it like this. Stick the open end. I've made this really basic design on cardboard. Cut the cardboard. Make sure the length of cardboard cutout and paper roll are the same. Using that cutout as stencil, cut more pieces. I'm using 16 pieces. Stick those pieces to the paper roll as I'm showing. This is after sticking all 16 pieces. Now using masking tape, I will cover the cardboard structure. You can even stick the newspaper pieces using glue. I'm using masking tape as I am in hurry and newspaper takes time to dry. They both work the same way. This is plaster of Paris. I'll mix in some water to make a paste. It should be of this consistency. Now cover the cardboard structure with plaster paste. Try to make a thick layer so it will be strong. The trick to make it smooth is before it dries, take some water and try to smoothen it with your fingers. Let it dry. I have this rope. Try to use thick one, probably cotton material. Now I'll make a pattern on vase using the rope. I'm using hot glue to stick it temporarily as hot glue doesn't really works on plaster well. I just wanted to keep the rope at its place for some time till I cover it. I'm doing it directly, but if you're not sure, you can make the design with pencil first and then stick the rope. Also, if you don't need this particular pattern, you can do any pattern with rope. Do this to entire vase. So the pattern is ready. Now I'll cover it with this paste which I have made mixing 2 tablespoons of plaster of Paris, 2 tablespoons of glue and 2 tablespoons of water. Give one more coat to make it smooth and let it dry. I'm painting it with yellow acrylic paint. You will need 2 coats for perfect finish. Apply varnish once the paint dries.